Well, that's just nuts. Where do you find that? Huh? Where did you find that, my friend? Wow, this is pretty chilly. The weather out here is a little chilly. Just look at my tail, for instance. It's blowing in the wind. Yeah. This must be a new kind of flavor. Yes. When nature calls, it sometimes blows. Look at the size of that nut. Huh? You just shave it around. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, really good. Yeah, I like this. Well, lost a little shell there, Pace, but that's okay. Still pretty good. Oh, yeah, there goes some more. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, the wind's blowing. Oh, and there we go. Oh, dip it into the water. Yeah. Just watch out for Mr. Owl. He might come and get you. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're going to share. Oh, look at that. No sharing. No sharing for Mr. Owl. That's some fine-ass wind. And I think he just fell. He jumped to his doom. This has been a presentation of When Nature Calls.